Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to harvest and store strawberries. Now, strawberries have to be my ultimate favorite fruit in my garden. I love strawberries. And there's nothing like having fresh strawberries in your garden and periodically going through and picking some out and enjoying them on a hot summer day. So when do you know when it's time to harvest your strawberries? How can you tell? Well, what I like to do is they kind of make a vine or they're a little plant and they make off runners. They'll have little flowers that turn into little berries and they'll keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So you want to harvest them to the point where they're not mushy yet. They're still firm and they've got lots of red color to them. You don't want to harvest them when they're still white or green. A lot of times when you take them off of the plant, they just stop growing at that point and they'll never actually become mature. So you want to only take them off the stems when they are mature and very bright red. And so as soon as you take them off, what I like to do is soak them right in a bowl of water. Because that way, a lot of times, they'll still plump up a little more and they'll wash the dust off of it. And I take the stem right off I like to cut them right away with the stem off. Because you can leave them with the stem on or the stem off, but it seems that they last longer when you do take that stem off. And the chances are you're going to eat them quicker, too, with the stem off. And they'll last in the refrigerator 3 weeks or more. That's the great part about strawberries. But at a point, they'll start getting a little bit mushy and you don't want to lose them. So when I have a lot of strawberries, I like to freeze them. So I just cut the stem off and just put them into plastic or a container in the freezer and freeze them. And then you can enjoy them all winter long as well. So whether you keep them in the refrigerator, you freeze them, or you can even dry them, strawberries are a great fruit.